this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaSchool.com, and today I am going to teach you how to play a really fun call and response 12-bar blues. You're going to need a C harmonica. We're playing in second position in the key of G, and before I show you how to play it, let's have a listen to what it's going to sound like. Okay, so this is an absolutely brilliant exercise for learning your notes in 2 octaves. So we're only going to be playing 3 different notes, but we're going to be playing them in 2 octaves. We'll be playing 1 draw, 2 draw, whole step bend, 2 draw. And then we'll be playing them up an octave, 4 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow. And as you heard in the tune, all the way through, we're going to play in the lower octave first, and then we'll do a response in the middle octave. So I'm going to teach you each lick individually, and then we'll put it all together. If you want to get the tab, you can just click on the link in the description below and put your email address in to get it for free, but the tab will also be up on screen while we're working through the licks. So let's have a listen to what the first lick sounded like. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so dead simple, we're playing in bar 1 of the 12-bar blues, and we're playing on the beat using quarter notes. It'll be 2 draw, 2 draw, 2 draw, whole step bend, 2 draw. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it a little bit faster with the backing track. 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent work. I'm going to go through these quite fast because you can pause the video and work on each lick as much as you want before moving on to the next one. So our next lick is going to be the response to the first lick. It's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this lick is going to be played in bar 3 of the 12-bar blues. It's exactly the same rhythm as before. It's the same notes, but an octave higher, so we're playing quarter notes, 6 blow, 6 blow, 5 draw, 6 blow. So that'll feel a little bit strange because before we were playing a bend to get that third note, but here we're just playing a clean 5 draw. So let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's try it at full speed with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent work. Now let's try lick number 2, the call. So we're going to be in the lower octave again, and that's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are starting at the beginning of bar 5, and we're going to play a sequence of 8th notes. We're going to start on the 2 draw whole step bend and slur it up and down between the whole step bend and the clean note until we hit beat 3, where we're going to do it one more time and then hold the 2 draw until the end of the bar. So that'll be... So let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it at full speed with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's have a look at the response to that, which we're going to play in bar 7 when we come back to the 1 chord. Obviously it's exactly the same rhythm. Our notes are just going to change because we're going up an octave, so we're going to be playing 5 draw, 6 blow. So we'll alternate between those. And it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with a little bit more of a shuffly feel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Okay, excellent. Let's try it at full speed with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're getting close to the end. Let's have a look at lick number 3, which we're going to play over the 5 chord in bar 9, and that's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's a little bit more complicated. We've got some more notes happening. So we're going to start on beat 1 with 2 8th notes, 1 draw, 2 draw whole step bend, and then on beat 2 we'll hit the 2 draw for a quarter note. That'll be... And then on beat 3 we'll play the 2 draw for another 8th note, and then bend it down to the 2 draw whole step bend for 1.5 beats. So together. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then at full speed with backing track, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's try it up an octave over the 4 chord in bar 10. This one's going to be a little bit harder just because you need to go straight from the call to the response. We're not having that 4-beat break like we did with the first 2 licks. But no bends, so that'll make it a little bit easier. So we're doing 4 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow. And then 6 blow, 5 draw. So let's try that together nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. Now let's try it at full speed with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, excellent. Now let's try playing the whole thing. First of all, we'll do it really slowly. The tab will pop up on screen, and then we'll try doing it with the backing track. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's try doing it at full speed with the backing track. Okay, excellent work. So if you want to get the PDF tab as well as the backing track that I was using, just click on the link in the description below. You'll be taken to a page where you can type in your email address and I will send all of that stuff through to you free of charge. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload more harmonica content. All right, thank you so much. Happy harping! Oh.